Let's celebrate the 4th of July with a delicious cold treat. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we create healthy recipes in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a 4th of July lemon slushie. Begin by juicing 6 to 8 lemons until you get about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. And I absolutely love lemons. Why? They are packed with vitamin C, which helps your immune system. They may help with weight loss, healthy blood pressure. They're an excellent detoxifier, and they may even help reduce your risk of cancer. So take this amazing lemon juice and pour it into your blender. 1/4 cup of full fat coconut cream, and this is just going to add some healthy fat to our slushie, which helps you feel full longer. Next, let's add 1/4 cup of powdered Lakanto, or your preferred sweetener. Now, Lakanto is made out of erythritol and monk fruit extract. I like it because it's a low-glycemic sweetener, but definitely use what works best for your body, and some options might be a banana, maybe some raw honey or stevia. You may need to add more though than this 1/4 cup because powdered Lakanto is about twice as sweet as regular sugar. And I don't want to make this too sweet since we will be adding fruit to it as well. This next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 2 capsules of our Immunity 3, which is bursting with vitamin C, elderberry, and zinc. And all you need to do is just pull apart the capsule and then empty the contents right into your blender. And this is going to pair nicely with our lemons, which are also high in vitamin C. Last, I'm going to add about 4 cups of ice cubes. Blend up your ingredients until you have a slushy consistency. You may need to add more ice cubes or a little bit more lemon juice. To serve, divide up your blueberries into 4 glasses. I'm just going to show you 2 for now, but this definitely serves 4. Next, let's add in the slushie. Always make sure to taste this too in case you want it a little bit sweeter. Mine's definitely tart. Just depends on who's eating it, how sweet you want it. Last, top with some chopped up strawberries or your favorite red fruit. Okay, let's give this slushie a try before it completely melts. It's really hot in my house right now, especially with that light on. So my slushie is melting, but let's try it. Super refreshing. I love the pop of the lemon, and then the strawberries and blueberries are going to help sweeten it up just a little bit. Also remember to taste it to make sure that it's to your desired sweetness before you put all this beautiful ingredients together. And then also, you'll see more of a definition between the layers of the blueberries and then the slushie and then the strawberries on top when it hasn't all melted like mine has. I hope you give this one a try. It's super healthy, super fun, great way to bring in the 4th of July. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, remember to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next week in the kitchen. Take care. Bye-bye.